Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about why should we learn English. Is English is important for us or not? So if I am capable to talk with my friends, if I am capable to talk with my family, if I am capable to talk with my neighbors, and if I am capable to talk with anyone in my country, then why should we learn English? So in this video I'm going to tell you the some reasons that why you should learn English. So if you want to really know, then watch the video till the end. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1, English is very important for job. If you want to do job at any multinational companies, or if you want to do job in foreign countries, then you should know English. At least you should have basic knowledge of English. Then you will able to communicate with others. We can see many people have great academic qualification, still they are not able to speak in English, and lack of speaking they do not get these types of job. Not only in foreign countries, you can also see in India. If you want to do job in a best companies or big companies, then you should know English, at least basic knowledge of English. And if you want to crack any competitive exam, and if you want to crack any interviews, then English plays a very important role there. I know many of persons scores 98% and 99% in exams in English, but still they are not able to speak in English. So you should must learn English because it is very important for your career. You can see also when you buy some biscuits, you buy some chocolates, you can see their wrappers also written there in English. Also medicine, if you buy medicines, then medicine is also in English. So you should must learn English. Number 2, for traveling. If you know English, you can easily travel anywhere in the world because English is spoken as a first or second language in so many different countries. If you know only your mother tongue, then you can communicate with people in your country only. But if you want to go abroad or any other countries, then you should know English for communication. Suppose if you want to go in abroad, and if you want to make some friends there, if you want to talk with someone, if you want to express some feelings, and if you want to say something, if you want to ask something, then English plays a very important role there for communication. So you should must know English language, you should must learn English language because maybe you handle some situations, you can manage some situation, but most of the situation you can't manage. So you definitely have to talk with someone by some way. So you should know English for communication, to feel comfortable yourself or to feel make them comfortable to others. Okay. Number 3, education. If you are a student or if you are a learner, if you are learning something, and if you want to learn some texts, if you want to learn some books, if you want to read some books which are written in English, and you want to understand them, and you want to understand whatever is happening in your school in English and in your college, then you must learn English because it will very helpful for your career. It will really help you to improve your study level. Number 4, English is very important for business. Yeah, if you want to expand your business in entire world, then you must know English because whenever foreign clients are come to you, then you have to explain about your products in English. You have to express them, your ideas, your productivity in English. Without English you will not be able to convince them, and you will not be able to connect with them. So if you want to expand your business, then you must know English. Number 5, for personality development. If you want to develop your personality, if you want to increase your personality, then you must learn English, because whenever you talk to someone in English, then I don't know why, but they are thinking that you are a very, very smart person, you are a very talented person, this type of mentality. So you must learn English if you want to enhance your personality. These are the some reasons that you should learn English. And if you like the video, please like the hit button and subscribe my channel, and thank you so much for listening me.